just landed in Edmonton. Crazy morning. Missed the bus to get to Toronto. Hectic morning. I'm gonna meet up. I'm here to see a building that I'm investing in. Gotta go check it out. I gotta go check out how renovations are doing, and then I'm also checking another building that I might also purchase as well, invest in as well. But yeah, it's not my first time in Edmonton. I've been here a couple times. I'm only here for the night. I think we're just gonna look at the buildings, and then I'm just gonna go over to the Edmonton Mall. I'm gonna film some more content for you guys over there because Edmonton Mall is sick. It is OD. It's the craziest mall I've ever been to. I haven't been to many, but yeah. I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, easy. So we arrived at the building that I'll be closing on either at the end of the day today or tomorrow. Take a look at it. What's the Manor 21 unit building. Again, the whole motive of this is to do reverse strategy. You know, where we buy it, we rehab, we renovate, restabilize and refinance, and then repeat. I think I might have added an extra R there. But basically, this is what we're dealing with, 21 units. I'll show you guys the back real quick as well. This is the back. And one thing we gotta realize, like obviously I'm not trying to buy brand new buildings, right? The whole point is to buy buildings that need some work, that are distressed, to add value, because you can't buy a building that, let's just say, has that doesn't need any work, that's already fully renovated, because what value you're gonna bring, what value you're gonna add to the table, how are you gonna get that maximum loan of value to refinance? That's why this building doesn't look that good, right? You can see the baseboards on the balcony need some work, some units need some rentals. That's fine. We want that because we add value, because you buy it at a certain price, you renovate some units, some outside things like this, and then you add value later on for the refinance process, and that's how you make your money, right? But I'm proud of this one. I wanted to expose myself to the Edmonton market, and I finally have. And yeah, this ain't gonna be the first though, I promise you that. This ain't gonna be the first. We in the hotel room, here in Edmonton. I'm like 3 minutes away from West Edmonton Mall, which we're about to go to now because we're gonna catch a dinner with Elliot and one of our other investors. Let me show you the room though. The room's not bad, you know? I'm at the days in because I don't care. I'm only here for one night. But I'm pretty content. I'm pretty content with my room. I got a little sofa here, king bed right here, little table, TV, whatever, my bag, mini fridge, washroom, shower right here. Washroom's pretty big. I mean, I can't complain, dog. I can't complain, bruh. But, like, and this is a wide angle lens, so, like, the room might look bigger. And, like, the room is pretty spacious. Can't cap. But, yeah, I'm gonna go get dinner with Elliot and my other investor. We're gonna catch dinner, celebrate on closing the building today. Obviously, a lot of hard work was being put into that, but the job's not finished. We still gotta refinance, get our money back, and the lump sum, plus the cash flow. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit, easy. So we back. I went to dinner last night, and it was a long dinner, and I went and rented a car. Then I came here, passed up. It's 10 a.m. and I'm about to check out because my flight is at 2 p.m. Basically, this is cool. I have to get a copy of the building keys. I got a key to everyone's unit. I got a key to everyone's house. I got a key to everyone's apartment. What's up? Real landlord-ish. But yeah, I have to go get a copy of these. So I actually have to go to Home Depot, copy all these out. And then if I have time, I'll go to West Edmonton Mall, shop around a little bit. I want a new cologne because I'm addicted. But if I don't have time, I'll probably just go straight to the hotel. To the airport. But yeah, goodbye to the room. I liked it. Wasn't bad. Free complimentary breakfast. I went downstairs mugged. I'm gonna have a coffee when I go down. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the car in a bit. Easy. So right now, I'm about to go into Edmonton Mall. I actually just got my keys copied for the building. I can go into your apartment. No, I'm kidding. I won't do that. I'm a responsible landowner. Or landlord, I mean. But look. Hold up. There's a very, very big mall. I'm pretty sure it's actually one of the biggest malls in North America. I'll record some stuff inside with my iPhone. I really try to get that Osmos because I don't want to bring this inside, you know. But really big mall. I'll record some footage on my iPhone so you guys can see. I'm just trying to maybe buy a cologne. I need to buy a white dress shirt for sure. Maybe shop around. Not spend too much money, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit.
2 hours later.
So I didn't buy anything at the mall because I was gonna buy a cologne, and I'm pretty familiar with colognes, right? I like this brand called Latafa. They're like a dupe clan. I mean, they're a dupe brand, right? So they make dupes of like expensive colognes, and I still buy expensive colognes, but you know, why not buy the cheaper version? So I buy Latafa, and Latafas go for like max like $40, $50, right? They're selling Latafa bottles that I've personally seen at $20 and $30 at $90 to $100 at that mall. I quickly turned around and walked out. Couldn't find my dress shirt. I have to go drop off this car and catch my flight. But yeah, pretty disappointed in West Edmonton Mall today. Can't lie. But we'll be back. We'll see how it is. At the airport now. Going to departures. I have an hour to my flight leaves, so hopefully I don't miss it. Alright guys, so I'm back from Edmonton. It was just, I was there for the day because I was just checking in on one building that I'm leading for Elliot, and then one that I'm actually invested in, Westland, which if you follow the Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted about it again. All my socials popping up on the screen so you can get up to date on how I make money and how you can make money as well. But basically, the story about this building is I had 50 grand left over that I didn't really need. I was like, okay. Opportunity came up. I don't have much equity in this building. I have like 4%, 5% equity, but it's the bird strategy, so you make your money back plus a lump sum and plus some cash flow every month. So I was like, why not? You know, this year I wanted to get 30 to 40 units, 39. So he's crushed that goal, and then next year I want to get up to 200 units. So at the pace that I'm going right now, it looks like I'm gonna crush that as well. But yeah, man, it's crazy because like not even a year ago at this time. What are we at? It's July 17th, man. A year ago, I was broke. A year ago, I was broke. And the fact that I own two buildings under my belt, 39 units under my belt, man, that's crazy. And it just comes to show that, like, God really is amazing and prayer is powerful, you know? And it's crazy because, like, I still pray for stuff. And I still pray for the wisdom to do the thing that you put me on this earth to do and to serve others, and the wisdom, you know, to keep going forward and to keep me alive with my purpose and to yield my kingdom to myself, you know. And I still pray for things, but it's crazy because I'm living prayers of last year, definitely. Right? Even if I don't remember them, every day that you wake up, you're living a prayer. So the key is to be grateful, man. The key is to be grateful that you're here right now, that, you know, even when you wake up, not a lot of people woke up that day, get out of bed and go downstairs, have a cup of coffee. You know, not a lot of people can do that. And it's great. I love it. And it really brings me humble. Like, I came back. The reason I didn't record is because it's weird. Like, I forget to vlog. And I need to work on that. So my apologies, guys. I forget to vlog. But I got home, like, late. And I don't usually like driving to Pearson, Toronto's airport. I don't like driving. I just take a bus there and back. And there wasn't really anything to film. Like, I got out of the airplane. I landed and I was chilling for 30 minutes, ate something, and then my bus picked me up, and then I was back in London. It's not really much to film. That's why I was like, you know what? I'm gonna update them tomorrow because I got back late last night, like 1 a.m. So I was gonna update them. Updating you guys now. And so we just closed on the building. Building's worth, I think, 2.3. After the appraisal, it's going to be worth like 3 point something. Basically, I'm going to be updating you guys as we go. So like I said, Joe Natelli, all my social will be popping up the screen and in the description below. This wouldn't be possible without everything that's happened to me in the past year. You guys, crypto, Blowfin, everything. Like this wouldn't be possible. And you can scroll down to like my first 10 videos. Like I was struggling, I was broke, and I'm still gonna continue to be vulnerable with you guys because like I wanna let you guys in. I want you guys getting the inside scoop on everything because I know that if I can do it, you guys can do it. So I'll keep you guys updated as we go with the building. Right now we're in phase 1 of renovations. Actually, we just started. We're gonna just start phase 1 of renovations because like we literally closed 2 days ago, so we just got the keys. I think I showed you. I think I recorded myself with the keys. So it's exciting times, man, and I'm learning about the real estate business because that is gonna be my vehicle in terms for wealth. You know, in terms of making money ASAP, that's not it. It will become that, but it'll fully sustain my life. But in terms of right now, like I make my money. I still work a job. I still trade my crypto, and my event company and all that. That makes me money now, right? But the real estate is like that hedge fund, like that's gonna support me and my family and my wife, my future wife, my children, everything later on. Like I'm not stressing about that. That's why the real estate's a slow grind. But in the video that I'll make, you know, in a bit about how to go from 0 to 100 in terms of finances, like real estate is gonna be the best thing you can do to secure wealth. And when I say wealth, I mean wealth, like where you're taking care of your whole entire family, immediate family, your future wife, your kids, or your wife and kids if you have it, or your husband if you're a woman. But you gotta start that as soon as possible. Like as soon as you have a lump sum of money, like instead of when I was in the streets, I had a lump sum of money. I had lump sums of money, and I just wasted it. You know, I had to go to 0 to get to where I am right now to learn that okay, whenever I get those lump sums of money again, I'm not gonna f it up again. I'm gonna go straight into real estate, and that's what I did. And it's funny because at the beginning in January, I prayed, God, let me get into real estate this year. And boom, I'm at 40 units. Yeah, there's really, if that's not proof that God ain't real, then I don't know what is, man. But I wanted to update you guys. I'll be making more videos. I'm going to make a video detailing like my 2 buildings so far and how they're going, what the plan with them is and all that because they are closed. So I can speak about them legally. And yeah, we'll go from there. But thank you guys for the journey. I know since I switched things, I'm not really talking about crypto. And I think I've even lost some subscribers, and a lot of people aren't really like interested in my videos. But man, it's my YouTube channel, man. I'm gonna do whatever I want. I'm gonna talk about crypto whenever I want to talk about crypto. Speaking about crypto, I know it might sound stupid now what I said earlier about crypto's gonna dump. I still stand on what I said. Like a trap's a trap, and if you guys want to believe in the trap and think and call higher tops, and go ahead. But like be cautious. Because whale's going to do the opposite of whatever you think is going to happen. But with that being said, I love y'all. I'll keep you guys updated with everything. All my links popping up on the screen right now and also in the description. And I love y'all.